Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we're going to check out Honor's sort of like entry-level mid-range device, the Honor 90 Lite 5G. Now this device here actually retailed in Malaysia for RM1099, and it does come with 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal memory. But I personally think that this device has been flying under the radar. Not a lot of media has actually covered this device, so in today's video, we're going to find out a bit more about the Honor 90 Lite, find out like what kind of features it actually has and whether it is the right device for you. So without further ado, let's jump into the video right away and check out this device. Now first and foremost, the main key feature that Honor is really pushing for the 90 Lite here is all about those cameras at the back. Now right off the bat, you might notice that there is actually a triple camera setup. This is being led by the 100 megapixel main sensor. We also have a 5 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro lens. But the main star of the show here is of course that 100 megapixel sensor at the back. Now with such a high resolution camera, it is basically able to capture a lot of detail, and I think this is particularly useful if you are the kind of person who wants to adjust your photos after taking the shot. So I took a couple of examples over here and I'm going to show you what I mean. Say for example, you've taken a photo at 100 megapixel. After the shot, you can actually edit and crop in to see a little bit more detail, readjust the thing, re-rotate the picture and anything like that, and you will still be able to retain a lot of detail. The photo will not look blurred or anything like that. So that's the real benefit of that 100 megapixel main sensor. Just in terms of the color tones, I noticed that pictures taken from the Honor 90 Lite turned out a little bit more true to life, and I think that is great because some phones tend to oversaturate the entire picture and you will need to do some post-processing. But for the Honor 90 Lite, I think the pictures come out just at the right point, not too saturated, not too pale, just appropriate. And with that 100 megapixel details, you are able to do a lot of editing after that. Alright, so that's just in terms of the cameras. Now moving on to the second key feature, and that is actually all about the display at the front. Now we do have a very beautiful display here of the Honor 90 Lite, and this is because it is having actually very slim bezels all around. Of course, we still have a little bit of a chin at the bottom, but just in terms of the sides and at the top, the bezels are actually only 1.1 millimeters, and this gives it a very high screen to body ratio, which makes the entire device looks very modern, very minimalist, and of course, it just makes the entire video viewing experience even more immersive. Say for example, you're going to be watching a lot of YouTube videos, your Netflix and all that. Watching those videos on this huge display is really enjoyable because you have minimal obstructions with those bezels. Now other than that, although this is an LCD panel, but it does refresh at 90 Hz. That means that just navigating through the phone, browsing around, scrolling around, everything is going to be very smooth, and it actually enhances the overall user experience. Moving on to the eye comfort side of things, Honor has always been known for really giving us features that reduces flicker to our eyes, and this time round, the display on the Honor 90 Lite is actually TUV Rhineland certified for low blue light. Other than that, it also comes with its typical circadian night display. That means that it will adjust the tones to be a bit warmer so it doesn't cause too much harm to your eyes, allowing you to have a better sleep at night. And of course, it also has dynamic dimming. That means that you will adjust the temperatures, the brightness of the display based on the environment that you're in. So again, a pretty good display here that also takes into consideration the eye comfort for the Honor 90 Lite. Alright, now moving on to the third point here, let's talk a bit about the power, the 5G and the large storage. Now like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the Honor 90 Lite does come with 256GB of internal memory, and again, this large memory is very important today because a lot of applications today are very large in size. And of course, we must not forget that we do have that 100 megapixel main sensor. That means that photos taken by the camera itself is going to be larger in size. Now just in terms of the performance, we are getting a Dimensity 6020 5G processor, and this is actually a very power efficient processor. You do have 8GB of RAM plus 5GB of expandable RAM, and this actually makes the entire user experience very smooth. You can switch between apps without having any lags or any delays, so I think that's again a very good thing on the Honor 90 Lite. Now just in terms of 5G, I actually did a couple of tests since I was able to get 5G connection here in Subang Jaya. What I'm going to show you now is a very quick speed test, and notice that I was able to get about 400 Mbps download speeds and up to 100 Mbps upload speeds. Again, the key point here is all about getting those fast speeds at a steady rate, so I think that's also a great thing on the Honor 90 Lite. Alright, moving on to our fourth point here, we should talk a bit about the battery. We do have a 4500 mAh battery on board, and it does support 22.5 watt fast charge. The good news here is that although it is a very slim device, we still have a fairly large battery, and this is actually good enough to give you approximately 6 to 7 hours of screen on time on one single charge. So that's great in terms of the battery life. Now last but not least, my fifth point here is actually a little bit about the design. I actually have both the blue and the black version here today, and I think they both look great. The good news here is that they both come with matte back panels. That means that they are very smooth to the touch. Other than that, a very important point here is that you will not have a lot of fingerprints going onto the back panel, and I think that is great. Other than that, it is also a very slim and lightweight device, like I mentioned earlier on. If I'm not mistaken, it's under 7.5 millimeters thick, and it is also approximately 180 grams, just to give you a bit of a perspective. But if you are going to be using your phone for long periods of time or just putting it in your pocket, you won't have to worry about the weight because it is lightweight. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up our video about the Honor 90 Lite 5G. If you are in the market looking for a 5G phone around the price of 1,000 ringgit, I strongly suggest to check out the Honor 90 Lite. As always, Honor will be throwing a couple of freebies in. I think they are giving a wireless Bluetooth earbuds as well as a 1-year extended warranty. So, I mean, just check out the links down below if you want to find out more about their latest offers. And with that said, let me know if you have any further questions down in the comment section below. Don't forget to drop a like and sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And I definitely look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care and stay safe. Bye bye.